Hi guys, this is Dr. Nida with Keys of Health. I hope you're doing well. We're still dealing with coronavirus. Many people are sick with COVID or COVID-related symptoms. We may never really know how many people actually contracted COVID since not everyone is getting tested, and only people who have extreme breathing issues are being admitted to the hospitals. This means a lot of people are having to deal with this condition at home on their own. This requires us to be very cautious and aware of the right things to do. Your first action should always be to contact a doctor and get tested, if possible. But if you can't, you need to know what you can possibly do to prevent yourself from deteriorating further. And please, if you have symptoms of COVID and you haven't been tested, act as if you are a COVID patient, which means first and foremost, you have to be responsible. Don't go out in public. Don't interact with people unless you take proper precautions. You don't want to pass it on to someone else. Second, do the right thing at the right time in order to get the infection under control. Many people are recovering from COVID, so there is no need for you to stress. Just do the right thing at the right time and you should be okay. People who have recovered are experiencing extreme fatigue even after their symptoms are gone. Don't be disheartened. It will take some time for you to bounce back to normal. That's okay. Drink a lot of warm liquids, do breathing exercises to help your lungs, and take things that will help boost your energy and strengthen your immune system. You should do that not only to feel better, but also to protect yourself from a possible relapse. According to the experts, the second wave of COVID is on the horizon. We can only hope that this won't be the case, or if we do see a second wave, it will not be as horrendous as what we have seen the last few months. But take care of yourself and focus on strengthening your immune system. Continue to do what I have been suggesting, things like steam inhalation, saltwater gargling, eating raw fruits and vegetables, taking vitamin C, vitamin D, and zinc, avoiding sugar and processed foods, and drinking a lot of warm, healthy liquids. These are all very important. In this video, I want to share with you a very simple and effective herbal tonic that you can make at home, which will not only help you restore your energy, it will support your immune system and is also very good for your lungs and will help flush out the toxins from your body. It is also great for people who are fasting this month. They can take it when they break their fast or with the pre-dawn meal to help maintain their energy levels throughout the day. I try to keep things very simple. You need very simple and very few ingredients for this tonic. You need fenugreek seeds powder, ground sesame, or if you can't find ground sesame or can't grind it yourself, then whole sesame seeds will do, raw organic wild honey, or date syrup or pomegranate syrup. Either of the three would be fine, whichever one is easily available to you. Fenugreek seeds are healthy. They contain a good amount of fiber and minerals, including iron and magnesium. Fenugreek has anti-inflammatory properties. It has been used for centuries to treat cough and cold. It generates heat in the body, helps bring vitality to the body, and supports the immune system. It helps to keep your body warm while you're fighting off the effects of any upper respiratory infection, which makes it great for those who are recovering from COVID. The second ingredient is ground sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are a good source of energy. They contain healthy fats, fiber, iron, calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus that helps boost energy levels. Sesame seeds also reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. Another reason they should be included in our regular diet. A recent study found that after eating sesame seeds powder daily for 28 days, semi-professional athletes had significantly reduced muscle damage and oxidative stress, as well as increased aerobic capacity, which makes sesame seeds great for those recovering from respiratory infections. So the amount you need is half a kg or 1 pound of fenugreek seeds powder, half a kg or 1 pound of sesame seeds ground or whole seeds if you cannot find ground seeds, honey or date syrup or pomegranate syrup, 1 kg or 2 pounds. You mix it well, keep it in a glass jar in a cool, dry place. Take 1 tablespoon daily. Any time of the day is fine. This is a simple tonic you can make at home. It can really help boost your energy levels and support your immune system. Don't discontinue using it after you feel better. Keep going for the next few months with these simple at-home remedies to ensure there is no relapse. I wish you well. Stay home. Take care of yourself and each other. There is always light at the end of every tunnel. I'll be sharing many more simple immune and energy boosting recipes with you over the next few days. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so you'll be notified when the next video is available. See you very soon. Take care. Goodbye.